Samsung smartphone. Manufacturing cost is often much lower than the final retail price, mainly because the price includes many factors beyond hardware. Welcome to the Flow channel. First, components make up the largest part of the cost. This includes the display, processor, memory, camera modules, battery, and other electronic parts. For flagship phones, these components can cost several $100s, especially high-quality OLED screens and advanced chips. Second, there are manufacturing and assembly costs, which include labor, factory operations, testing, and quality control. These costs are relatively low per device due to mass production and automation. Third, Samsung spends heavily on research and development, R&D. Designing new processors, camera systems, and software features requires years of investment, and this cost is spread across millions of devices. In addition, marketing, logistics, and distribution significantly increase the total cost. Advertising, shipping, retailer margins, and after-sales services all add to the final price. Finally, taxes, warranties, and profit margins are included in the retail price. This is why a Samsung phone may cost much more to buy than it costs to physically manufacture. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe and like.